Have you ever seen a drone crash? Drones can be expensive, and that's why we're using simulators to practice. Our competition is to fly through 6 rings without crashing. We're all going to use the Tiny Terror racing drone. We're all going to have 3 minutes to complete the challenge. The fastest time wins.
Go!
We can crash as many times as we want in the simulator and not have to buy a replacement drone.
He's not going too aggressively.
No, I'm not an aggressive flyer.
Oh, he's taking that turn. Oh, he's off tracking.
No,
up, pull up, pull up. Oh! All right, going for a higher elevation this time. Good stuff.
It really is weird to learn how to use both those joysticks well.
Yeah, it is. Especially when you're used to regular drones.
Well, the difference with this FPV drone is that it's leaning forward, right?
Yeah, that's true.
So you're at like a 45-degree angle with your camera, which means that when you're flying what looks like straight and level flight, both your yaw and your roll controls will change the way your drone flies at the same time.
Technical schools teach students how to become good drone pilots. WSU Tech actually uses the same simulators that we're currently using to instruct their students. But the training doesn't stop with computers, as students get to fly drones of all shapes and sizes. Flying drones also requires some book smarts. You need to know how to maintain the drone, you need to know the FAA's rules surrounding drones, and you especially need to know about airspace classification. If you want to learn more about airspace classification, we happen to have a video on that subject too. We're still in the air, that's good.
I'm gonna need you to hand me your license after we're done filming.
To fly a drone for commercial purposes, including posting to any YouTube channel, you do have to have a license. This is called the Part 107 Small UAS license. Some schools, such as WSU Tech, offer classes of how to get this license.
4, 3, 2, 1. We gotta crash one more time.
And that's time, Bailey.
Dang it.
5,
4,
3, 2,
1.
and you're off. The FutureMaker Lab is embracing drones as well. We are bringing these simulators, a paper airplane design activity, and a handful of real drones out to middle and high schools in Kansas. We want to give students a hands-on experience with drones and also tell them about this fascinating career field. I tell you, for scenes like this, we'll give you the whole seat, but you only need the edge.
Oh, I
The edge of the hoop.
missed. Edge of the hoop. No, edge of your seat, Bailey.
But you hit the edge of the hoop.
That is technically true.
Best kind of true.
See,
Okay.
you can tell you've had more practice with this one.
Well, it's weird, but at a certain point, it feels intuitive.
Ooh, this is a nail biter right here. Now it's the hardest.
It's like all the robot challenges I lose because, or all these challenges I lose because I don't know how to do cardinal direction. Time.
Hey,
59 seconds.
59.
59? All right, I'll take it. I'll take it. In 3, 2,
1,
go.
Oh, I'm so nervous for him. He's gonna crash.
Now Levi's been approaching this with quite a bit of confidence, so let's see how.
But he likes to choke. In like every other challenge we've done, he's choked.
Who likes to choke?
Not Levi.
Oh man, he's doing it flawlessly so far. I aspire to be a drone pilot like Levi one day.
The only ever drone I've flown in real life, I crashed into a rock.
Yeah, true. Oh my goodness, he's gonna flawless it. Oh!
And he flew backwards.
Does that count?
I'll count it. It's 31.80.
All right, our current champion.
3,
2, 1, go.
Drones are a very popular hobby, but they can be so much more. Many people make full careers out of flying unmanned aircraft. For example, power companies like Evergy, they use drones to inspect their power substations. We actually did a video with them. Go ahead and check that out. In addition to lots of different inspections, drones are also used for filming videos and movies. They allow an easy way to get shots that would have required a full helicopter not too long ago.
That's one of the best parts about using a simulator.
You know, there's another $300.
That's why we use a simulator.
Now cost the company $600.
Can we get a counter in the corner?
$900.
Drones can even save lives. Say a kid goes missing in the woods. Instead of having a search party spend hours finding him, police can fly a drone with a thermal camera over the forest, and they can find that kid in a fraction of the time.
This thing is impossible.
Now,
It's not impossible.
It really does take a lot of practice to get good at flying this drone in particular. And Levi and I practiced a little bit apiece.
This is not in the cards for me. No, it does not. Yep, working on it, working on it. Second drone? Nope, nope, nope. You know what? Forget it, I'm going through the top one.
Can he make it to the final ring?
No. Could he land on top of the final ring?
If you can land on top of the final ring, I'll count your time. Oh, but you have 3,
2, 1, time.
Now let's see who won that race. Now, if you liked this video, if you found it entertaining or informative, please click the like button. It really helps us out. If you're interested in having this drone activity at your school, please visit www.futuremakerlab.com for more information.